Hi, it's Shannon Diatri. Here's what's happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. Serve up the flavors of fall with a delicious plate of pumpkin cake cookies. They're so simple. Here's what you'll need. 1 box of yellow cake mix, a 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin, pumpkin pie spice, old-fashioned oats, walnuts, dried cranberries, vegetable oil, and an egg. In a bowl, mix together the wet ingredients, the pumpkin puree, 2 tablespoons of oil, and the egg. Mix to combine, and then add the dry ingredients, the cake mix, 1 cup of chopped walnuts, a half a cup of oats, a half a cup of dried cranberries, and 2½ teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Mix it all together, and then drop by tablespoons onto a parchment-lined baking sheet about 1 inch apart. Bake at 350 degrees for 10 minutes, and they're so tasty, just like this. Or you can combine a little powdered sugar, a drop of vanilla, and a few drops of water to make a beautiful glaze that you can brush right over the top. Pumpkin cake cookies, what a great way to kick off the holidays. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.